Okay, what are these called?
These are called marble in mesh.
Okay, yeah, marble mesh.
Marble mesh?
Pretty much. Yeah.
Oh, gosh, that was pretty close. Okay.
Okay, next. These.
Oh, magnetic tires.
No.
Tire pyramid. Triangle.
No. Okay, what's your final guess?
Okay, final guess is magnetic circles.
Okay, next. That.
Oh, I have no idea. This is a tractor tire. Tractor tire.
That's smart, but it's not. Okay, what's
Tractor
your final
tire.
guess?
Tractor tire.
Okay.
That's my final only guess.
Okay, what is this called?
Ooh, this is a worm.
No.
This is a worm. It's a total wormy thing.
Is that your final guess?
That's my final guess.
Okay.
Yeah, it's a total worm. Look at that.
Okay.
Yeah, it's a worm.
Okay, what is this called?
This is, I know what this is. This is a baby color wheel.
No.
Green, blue,
No.
purple, pink, red, orange, yellow.
No.
Do it again.
Okay, what's it called? It literally says it on.
It's a color wheel.
Is that your final guess?
Final guess.
Okay.
Color wheel.
Okay.